Yo, welcome back to our local Moco channel, M3E. For those of you who are new today, I'd like to say welcome to our channel. And please do yourself a favor and click that subscribe button so that you can be part of this team. And also make sure to click at that bell button so that you can be notified in the future whenever we post video. Now, to start off the vlog today with this video, I'd like to say welcome back again. For those of you who have been part of this team, thank you once again for tuning in today. Now, there's really nothing much to do today. I know it's been a while since we last did, but we had a prank on Marlson. But today there's really nothing going on. There's nothing planned for the remaining of the day today. But what better way to start off this vlog with this video than to do a prank again on Marlson? And it's of course the pie in the face again. So if you guys are with me, let's do this. Right now they're actually in school, just getting ready to get off school, so I'm just waiting for them to come home. And so once that happens, once they do, I'm gonna go ahead and do that prank for them, and hopefully it turns out really good, and hopefully we get some footage on that so that we can get a good reaction on what's really gonna happen. Don't forget to tell your friends and family to, of course, click that like button, and of course check out the rest of the videos that we have, and just show your support. And we'd also like to say thank you again for being part of this team. Alright, so stay tuned everybody.
2 hours later.
Look at that! Look at the camera! You just got pranked!
Oh man! Look at his face! Look!
But you didn't know what was happening.
You
Right?
cleaned that up.
Right? Yeah. You did not know what was coming. Why did you guys put it on the carpet?
Okay, clean that up.
Moss, that's yours.
I gotta go to the restroom.
I'm sorry, man. Look at his face. Alright.
Mars, fit in. Mars, clean it up.
How's it clean that up?
I need it. You're stepping on it.
Oh. What's up, dude?
What you guys just...
Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you think it's a good prank, okay? Thanks. Okay guys, so this time we just did the prank on Marlson, but right now I'm in the room. Whoever comes in that room, they're getting a pie in the face. It doesn't matter if it's Marlson, if it's Mars, if it's Elston or Mommy. They're getting a pie in the face, so let's wait. Lily, that was your table, Sarah. Let's go.
Oh my nose! Why you did it to my nose? It's my nose. You put my nose.
Look at Ma. Oh boy. Good job, guys. Oh boy, I told you guys, whoever comes in that door, they're getting a pie in the face. So,
Oh, that was about to be. Of course. Yeah. What? It's wartime.
We're gonna prank our brother with a pie in the face. Yeah, so
It's another prank.
it's another prank. I know my dad from now.
He's in the room right now. He's in the room. He's in the room. He's in the room. Hurry. He's in the room. Wait. Mom, wait. Come here. Wait. Alright, say it. Austin. She's like, what did you say? Austin, Dad said go shower right now. Alright, say forget the clothes. Just go shower. Turn off the light. Alright, close it. Oh, my socks are gonna get wet. Oh, my socks are wet right now. Oh, they're arguing.
Okay guys, as you see in the video that I got pranked, but at least I pranked my dad back, and my mom was in the, my mom knew that they were gonna prank me, but she didn't know that my dad was gonna prank her. So please like this video and keep watching our pranks, and
Comment below.
yeah, and yeah, keep subscribing and tell your family to subscribe, and thank you for supporting. See you next time. Peace.